All of these are gonna go there. So, show you guys me reorganizing the minis today. Okay, ready? Okay, film it.
I'm filming right now.
Ow, my back. Ready?
Nope.
Watch it not be the thing.
Yeah, it's just gonna be like, what, just some food. Permanent sealing tape. This is what we bought.
Ah!
It's just gonna be so anticlimactic. It's gonna be nutritional yeast.
I don't even see it yet. It is! Oh my god, open now!
Just use the scissors.
And it looks so cool! Man, this is so tape. I'm gonna cut my hand again.
Horrible. We are safe here.
Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god!
Wow.
Are you ready?
Wow. Whoa. Who's gonna be the first one to get this beauty?
I'm so excited.
Wow.
Okay, come up close. Look at it.
Whoa, we went big.
Go make it do the zoom out thing. You can zoom out to make it like the big lens. So, did it do it?
Like, do this?
Yeah. Does it look up big?
It's huge.
I'm so excited. Let's put something in it to see what it looks like. Like if someone gets a Cindy hoodie,
Okay.
it's gonna go in here.
Someone's buying a Cindy hoodie, my hoodie.
See what it looks like with stuff.
And then pretend to
Close
fold
it.
it over.
Whoa, that looks so cool.
I'm flabbergasted.
Recycle me, recycle me.
Don't worry.
Oh my
Sustainable.
god. This is so fun. End the video.
No, in a good way. It's a little fun in a good way.
Aww. Okay, put you guys on a tripod so much better. I got the coolest bins.
Well,
I can just put scrunchies in there. These bins are like the same depth as these bins, so a wall full of these bins would save like half of this space. And right now I need more space. So yeah, and I'm reorganizing the minis. They're actually going into their own stackable bin here too. I'll show you. I'm gonna do this today. I also reorganized our stickers. Sydney helped me do this. Our pins are here. I'll put a photo of what they look like here. And our envelopes and stuff. And our scrunchie holders are here. Everything's just so much better now. Oh, and t-shirts are in this wall. T-shirts. All of our t-shirts are here. So much easier. And the toques are up there. But yeah, let's get started on the minis. This is my favorite part of the shirt. Go big or go home. so now they're all in their stackable bins. Now we can take them out and stack them. So yeah, this bin is gonna go right back there. I just need Cindy to like make it taller with the rest of... I have so much space now. Okay, I realized that you can stack them all, and since it's leaning against a wall, it's like super secure. This is what I got today. These bins, I think there's 8. Gotta bring them all downstairs. These are all the boxes. And Ashley just dropped off a bunch of scrunchies. She elastic. So all this stuff just came at once. So yeah, and these are like perfect for scrunchies. Look how big they are. Major space, whoa, saver. Who just got scrunchies? Romina Castaneda. Okay, time to bring this downstairs. Okay, so Cindy's gonna come over on Wednesday and restack these extra shelves on top of those, so then it'll be like cube wall.
Nice clinch right there.
Aw.
That's what I'm talking to, right? My shot is ready to return to center. Final 20 seconds, round one. That's why you see rules. Want some heavy strikes on the way out? Round
You open your mouth the same time as a horn.
X. X. X.
very competitive first round. These guys had their rules.
Look at our new mailer bags. So excited. This is the back, and this is where our shipping label will go. And yes, they are recyclable. So we still have about like, I would say around 100 of these giant black mailers to use until we can use our new ones, but so excited. I still have a little small things I want to touch up, but these are basically it. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think. Wait, mirror shot. I'm gonna zoom in.